Hello, you are welcome back to my channel. This is Elyon Educational Consult. Today we'll be looking at polygon. A polygon is a plane figure or rectilinear figure bounded by more than 4 straight lines. So if the number of sides is more than 4, so it is regarded as polygon. Polygon can either be regular polygon or irregular polygon. If all the sides of the polygon and all the angles are equal, it is termed regular polygon. But if all the sides and all angles are not equal, it is called irregular polygon. So polygon can be constructed by different methods. Okay, we have different method of constructing different polygons. So today we'll be looking at construction of pentagon. Of course, a pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides. So if it is 6 sides, it is called hexagon. If it is 7 sides, it is called heptagon. If it is 8 side, octagon. 9 side, nonagon. 10 side, decagon. 11 side, undecagon. 12 side, dodecagon. So we'll be looking at construction of pentagon today. Pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides. So we have an example here. The question says construct a regular pentagon giving one of its sides to be 40 mm. So let's see how we do this when we are given one of the sides to be 40 mm. So the first thing we are going to do here, we are going to be drawing the baseline. We draw the baseline. Draw your baseline. Okay, so we pick a point on the baseline, call this part A. So the question says the size of the pentagon is 40, that is 4 centimeter. So it's a regular pentagon, meaning that all the sides of the pentagon will be equal, and of course it's 5 sides, so we do that. So we have this AB to be 40. So the next thing I will do now, place my compass on A, extend to B this way. I will draw a circle this way. So 18 circle. So I'll place the same compass length on B. I place it at A first to draw this circle, then I place on B. Now I will draw another circle this way, so I will call this point where the 2 circles intersect, I'll call this part C. Now I'll call this part D. Using this point D now with the same compass length I use in drawing this, so the same compass length, that is of AB, which is 40 millimeters. So I'll place same on B, at D rather, then draw a third circle this way. I'll draw a third circle this way, like this. Okay, so I will take note where the third circle intersect the 2 previous circles. So it's at this point and at this point. So if I call this point here, this point of intersection, if I call this E, I'll call this other point my point F. I hope you can see that. So the next thing I will be doing now, I'll be drawing a line to connect this C and D together. So I'll draw a straight line connecting, a vertical line connecting this C and D this way, like this. So the next thing I will do now, take note of this point where this straight line intersects this third circle that I drew. So I'll call this part, if I have F, so I can call this part my G. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I will join my FG together, extending it to touch the circumference of this circle here. So like this. hope you can see that. Then the same thing I will do here, join my EG, extending to touch the circumference of that other circle. So I will go this way. So you get that now. So I will call this part now. I can call this part my H. Then I call this part I. You can actually label it with any alphabet of your choice. It's not compulsory you follow mine, but just for identification sake, that's why I'm doing this. So now if we connect these two parts together, if we connect I'll be having the other side, the second side of the pentagon. You will see now. So I can connect this, stick it out immediately. Okay, then connect BI this way with a thick line. Then AB is the first part. So you can see we already have 3 sides of the pentagon, of the regular pentagon. So how do I get the remaining 2 sides? So that is simple to do. Just pick, there is AB, which is the initial original length of the side of the pentagon given to us, which is equal to this. You can see is equal to this here. Okay, so place at I, strike an arc here on this line here. Okay, let me make it more visible. So like this, then come to this other side, place at H now, strike an intersecting, you strike an intersecting arc on that part. So you can see that now. So this is where they both intersect. So I'm going to be joining those 2 parts together now. So I will join this to this, then join this other part together this way. So this is my pentagon, the regular pentagon, such that this, the length of this side, the length of all the sides are equal. This is equal to this, which is also equal to this, is equal. You can see all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. So this is how to construct a pentagon when given the length of one of the side, a regular pentagon. I hope you find this very easy. Please keep practicing. I believe you can do it. So keep practicing it. You can get it. Thank you very much for staying tuned. God bless you.